Deloitte says U.S. holiday retail sales are expected to rise between 4 and 4.5%. I'm here with the Deal's Richard Collings. Richard, so Deloitte says although economic news continues to be mixed, their economists believe we have upward positive momentum going into the holiday season. And this is different from some reports that we've heard saying U.S. holiday sales won't rise as much as they did last year. So based on what you hear in the industry, what do you expect?
Well, because of a poor second quarter and disappointing lackluster back to school, I think the Commerce Department said retail sales in August were up 0.1%. Apparel retailers are expecting a poor holiday season and are scaling back orders for it. Consumer electronics continues to be a strong sector. Home improvement continues to be strong. So autos continues to be strong. So there are some definitely hot growth categories within consumer broadly, but apparel retail looks like a real concern going in the holiday.
Right, we know that's been a weak spot, but what other factors do we have to consider in weighing into our expectations? I mean, we have issues like the Fed tapering, which many expect us to get prior to the holiday season. We have issues of the debt ceiling. How does all this factor into your expectations?
The debt ceiling is definitely a factor, as well as a potential Fed tapering. All of those can affect the consumer psyche and the broader economy. The last time there was a debt ceiling controversy over the debt ceiling, it definitely had an economic impact. So we always have to keep our eye on those. You know, among apparel retailers and executives, one of the concerns is there isn't any new hot trend to really drive retail sales going into the holiday. So that's also a concern. I was talking with Bud Conheim, the CEO of Nicole Miller, at Fashion Week, and that was exactly a point he was making. Where are the hot new trends? Where is the desire that fashion is supposed to be created to bring those consumers in the door? So, so that's another big factor.
Right, those gotta have it products are more like, you know, iPhones and things like that.
Exactly.
Electronics are the hot spots in terms of retail.
Exactly.
But I know you always have your finger on the pulse of M&A, so what sorts of activity can we expect in the space this season?
Going into the fourth quarter, among a number of people I talked to, for example, ACG, when it comes to consumer retail, there's an expectation that we're going to see a drop-off in deal activity going into the fourth quarter because of uncertainty around it. People want to see those numbers before, you know, they are willing to make that bet. Usually that's typical, but they're a little even more pessimistic this year. Of course, part of the problem is 2013, according to a lot of folks in the industry, particularly when it comes to middle market, has been a bit dismal. 2012 kind of sucked the life out of 2013 because people were expecting lower taxes. We're expecting higher taxes in 2013, so they were trying to get all their deals done in 2012.
All right, well, thanks for helping to paint a better picture of that for us. That's Richard Collings of The Deal. I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.